Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Telegram account on iPhone. That's pretty easy because account creation in Telegram doesn't depend on your phone model. The process is the same for iPhone and Android, so just follow my lead. I suppose you already have Telegram installed on your phone. If you don't have, just go to App Store, find Telegram and install this application, and then open the app and let's go. So on this homepage you can read some info about Telegram from developers, but what you really need to do to create an account is tap on Start Messaging. Now enter your phone number with country code. Tap on Continue. Continue once again. And now you will receive SMS. I will receive SMS to my second phone because I still don't have SIM in my current phone. But if you have SIM, the code will be automatically pasted here. So if you use another phone for registration, you have to enter your code manually. So here is my code. Continue, and that's pretty it, guys. Your account was just created. Share contacts. This account is not new. I just use it to show you how to do it, but believe me, login and account creation in Telegram is pretty the same process. So just follow these steps to create your new account, and that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.